Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the hardware and immediate app choices. Plug the headset firmly, try a different port, and make sure Windows shows the headset as the default input and output device. Open Discord, go to User Settings, right arrow Voice and Video, and choose that same device for input and output so signals match. Once done, test the mic and output with Discord's built-in test voice activity. This establishes a clean baseline and avoids wasting time on secondary issues. Now you dig into settings that often block audio. Open Windows Sound Control Panel, select your headset, and set the sample rate to 44, 100, or 48, 000 Hz. Then disable exclusive mode so apps don't lock the device. Turn off enhancements to prevent distortion. Update or reinstall the headset driver and check firmware if available. Test the mic in another program to separate Discord issues from hardware problems, and run the Windows troubleshooter to automatically detect configuration errors. Finish by resetting Discord voice settings. Open Voice and Video and click Reset Voice Settings, then reselect your device and test. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Discord or run it as administrator to resolve permission issues. Make sure push-to-talk isn't enabled by accident and that correct input sensitivity is set. One key troubleshooting tip: if uncertainty remains, try the headset on another computer or create a new Discord account temporarily. This isolates whether the fault is hardware, system level, or account specific.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.